back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this little flower blossom set. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm using my little pliers here to take off the embossed nail sticker I had on. We cut up a lot of it, and then I went in with my extra coarse safety drill bit, and I got the rest of the design off, and you know, a lot of the acrylic off, because we got to rebalance this nail. So yeah, I'm going in with the bit, and I'm really just getting everything off: the top coat, the sticker, the design, going near the cuticle area, but not exactly on it because her nails are grown out. That's why we're having a rebalance. This is a very coarse bit, so this is a 4 times extra coarse bit. Okay, if you're not comfortable with this, just use a regular coarse bit. It's fine. But this is fast for me. I probably wouldn't use this bit for someone who maybe has sensitive cuticles or just is sensitive to the drill. I'd probably go down and just use my 5-in-1 tapered drill bit. But this client, love her. She's not sensitive to it. Love her nails. She has awesome nail beds. They're big nail beds. I love, 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 love. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my 5-in-1 tapered drill bit. So now I'm getting a little bit closer to the back of the nail, to where the lifting, a little bit of the lifting is. This client's pretty good. She doesn't have too much lifting. I do double prime, and that's my big head glasses in the way. Anyway, I do double prime and things like that, which has been working out excellently for me. My double prime routine is my Mia Secret primer, and then I go in with my Young Nails primer. I will say though, the best thing to do is I do my Mia Secret, and right before I'm about to apply the acrylic, I go in with the Young Nails so it's nice and it's fresh, right? Now I'm pushing back the cuticles. Very important step. You want to expose as much of that nail space as possible. You want to get all the dead gunky things off. That helps with better adhesion as well. So that's another key step there. Just pushing back those cuticles. Now I'm going in with my new favorite cuticle drill bits. Everything I'm using are in my constant go-tos in the description box below. Constant go-tos. You will find everything I am using there. I love that bit because, as you can see, this is in real time. It really goes in there and gets everything off and helps push back the cuticle area even more. So I love, love, love this bit. Then I'm going in with my, I think that's a 240 grit sanding band, and I'm going right above where some of the parts are lifting so that the lift will just kind of flake off. And I'm going over the natural nail as well, because you want to get rid of any oils or anything like that. Your nails do have oils on them, and you want to get rid of that so that you have proper adhesion. Now, I will say I don't go too crazy. Don't press too hard. Let the drill do its job. Or you can just use a 240 grit nail file and do it as well. So let me reshape. She loves this oval shape on her. Very feminine. She loves it. And here I am, double priming. So yeah. Now I'm going in. I think I'm using Mia Secret Cover Nude Blush. It is my go-to cover nude. It literally is. I love it. Love it. A lot of my clients love it as well. It's a great nude for a lot of different skin tones, which I also love because I have clients that have very many skin tones. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking my bead and I'm going right back there. I slowed this down. I'm going right back there in that cuticle area where I'm rebalancing that nail, and I'm patting it in, and I'm getting all the excess from the side walls. So guys, this is in real time. I really wanted to not speed through certain parts of the video so you can see my particular process of how I do things. I know some of you kiddies had requested that. So this is in real time. This is me really naturally just applying it. As you guys can tell, I take my time. Also because me and my clients, we talk, and I'm not gonna lie, I get distracted. I do. I need to work on that, multitask it better. But this is like therapy for a lot of my clients. A lot of my clients say the same thing. Like, girl, when I come here, we talk. I get this whole month's worth of stress out. And I'm like, great. Like, you're paying, and then you leave with beautiful nails, you know? So, yeah, I talks a lot. But this is my real-time process. Okay, guys? Okay, so now I'm going in with my extra fine drill bit. It is not a safety drill bit, so if you're not comfortable, definitely get a safety drill bit. It's more rounded, so it's less chance for you to nick your clients. So yeah, I use this one just to go around the cuticle area. I really want to make my cuticle area flush. And like I said, that also helps with the longevity of your nail. So yeah, and it helps prevent a lot of lifting. So I use these bits. I'm a bit queen. I love my bits. No. Now to like really get everything nice and even, no lumps and bumps, I'm using my 150 grits sanding bands. I get these from Amazon, but like I said, everything is linked in the description box below, guys, in my constant go-to section of my description box. Then I'm just regaining my shape. Again, like I said, my client likes this rounded shape for her nails. And these rounded shapes came out pretty good. I'm not the best at doing like round shapes or like almondy shapes. I'm not the best at it. I'll be the first to admit it. But these came out really, really dope. So here I'm going in with this like brown color. I think I got it. I think that's a Vanillisa color in number 1115. My daughter's in the background cracking up because she tripped. So she laughs at herself. At least she has humility. Anyway, sorry. So I'm just making like the vines. Now, my only thing is I wish I had mixed a little black in this particular brown just to make it darker. The Vanillisa gel polish set I bought, that is the darkest brown in the set I purchased, and I'm kind of mad I didn't mix it to make it a little bit darker, to make it stand out a little bit more. But my clients still loved the nails and I loved it too. I'm going around the tips of the nails with that turquoisey color. That's from D&D. And then I'm using like a pink and a fuchsia. And I just use my what's it called? Yeah. I use my little nail art dotting tool. There you go. I always forget a word. Anyway, and I make dots. I literally make dots. I've seen someone do this beautifully where they made the flowers with acrylic, and that is wonderful for you and for those who do it. And I think it comes out even more beautiful when you do that. But yeah, we was on a time crunch, so we did it this way. They still came out cute though. I am I'm about to say freezing. I am flash curing with my DIAMI like flash curing pen. And yeah, pretty much I do every nail like that, and then I let my client put their hand in for like a full 60-second cure and my LED UV lamp. I wanted to tie in some of the turquoise, so I'm just adding like a little faux turquoise leaves on the flowers. And yeah, guys, that was it. Pretty short video, and this is how they came out. I thought they were so cute. The shape looks so beautiful. My client, she loved it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And yeah, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up. And until next time, bye, kitties.